Get ready for the annual linen closet competition. We had some amazing linen closets last year, and we expect to have some wonderful ones this year as well. So, if you've recently transformed your linen closet, or if you have a knack for folding towels, washcloths, and sheets, we want you. Yes, we want you. And viewers can cast a vote for their fan favorite, and she'll win a gift card and be crowned the 2022 Linen Closet Queen. To enter, send your horizontal pics and videos to MommyRoomREDO@gmail.com.